The Oriental Garden Lizard, commonly known as the katussa in Sri Lanka, is a reptile species frequently found in gardens and yards. Here are some key features of the Oriental Garden Lizard. 1. Appearance and coloration. Males, especially during the breeding season, display vibrant yellow and red colors with a distinctive throat pouch. Females usually have a more subdued yellow coloration with fewer markings. 2. Behavior. Males and females exhibit different coloration during breeding, with males becoming more colorful to attract mates. 3. Diet. They primarily feed on insects such as crickets, grasshoppers and small invertebrates. Habitat and distribution. These lizards are commonly found in gardens and bush